welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at the Dollar Tree. So we have some of these cute little stuffed little animals. Okay, well these are hearts. Then we have like the toys that you can go ahead and make a basket for. This is cute. This wine bottle bag and these stickers. All right, so we have some of the bags over here. I don't think I ever seen this. Have you guys ever seen this? So these are like the little trays. And then these are the paper plates that say love in the shape of a heart. And look at these. So you get 12 in the pack. And I like the heart sippy cup. That's so nice. Then you have these sippy cups, which I really like these. Look at this. It's a nice size too. This is a cone, and then this is a donut. All right, I'm sure they have other ones, like here's a blue one. Okay, then you have the paper plates here with the hearts. And then that one says love. And then you have these cups right here that say be mine. And these are kind of cute. I like these little buckets. You have some more. You have a lot of stuff to make baskets for kids, guys. So I think this is a wash, a hand wash for the bath, not for anywhere, for the bathroom. Let's see, this says mailbox kit. That's kind of sweet. Then you have like peel and stick stickers. You have the pencils over there. This is great for a basket. Okay, this says a year of date nights. How sweet. All right, then you have the little bubbles, the headbands. So I showed you this in a previous video from Walmart. I'm not sure how much they were there. These are $1.50 here, so maybe those were like $1.98. Then you have more of all of these things you can put in a basket. I like that. More pencils, more games. So that's pretty neat. Then you have the heart straws and you have the socks. Aren't these cute, guys, the kisses? These are really nice. And then you have the little bags. Let's see. Then you have the socks. I love these socks for walking around the house. Then you have some of these candy. All right, let's see what's over here on this side, guys. So over on this side, you have all of the candies. So I don't need to go through the candies right now, but I would like to show you this side. So here's a tin for the, I think it's a steak for the ground. And then here's some more tote bags. Okay, and some more of these nice socks. Here's some glasses. Okay. Then you have these. Now we are in the, I think this is the $5 section. Anyway, some of these items are $3 and I can't tell which ones. Then here you have, these are $5. So here you have the string lights. So these are the pink and here's the red. Okay, so the string lights and the hearts. Then you have, this is a foam garland. And again, it doesn't have a price. I'm going to say, I don't know, $3. The throws say $6. So the throws are really nice. Let's see. These are nice. And I think I like this one. This is very nice. And okay, and then you have the kissing ball. Guys, the rose kissing ball. And you know I'm going to go reach for the white one. I think I made one of these with you, a DIY. These are so nice to make. So, and then they have that pink one right there. So, but my favorite is the white. Then you only have one of these heart wreaths left, unless that's the only one they put up. And then here, you have the rose box in a round shape, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. Now, it's $5. So, I think when I bought this a couple of years ago, there were 3. Then here's the Jolly Ranchers lollipops. They're $4 for a box of 20. Let me show you the bottom here. So we got some pillows, and these are $5. It says Be Mine. XOXO. Let's see, the darker pink. Okay, and then you have these. So you have the pink, and I'm not sure, let's see, those are $5. And here is the red one. Those are nice. Okay, so we have the Be Mine tray. And then we have the charcuterie board in the shape of a heart that says XOXO. Those are $5. And then you have a basket there. These are lollipops that I showed you. And I'm really liking these. I think this lights up. Yep. You light up my life. They're so cute. Then you have the gnomes. Now here you have the rose lights. And here you have the light up table decor. Okay, so these things are new. I've never seen them before. Here are the cupcake snacks. And look, isn't that cute? The rose chocolates. And then you have 25 bags of the Valentine. And then here you have some garlands. So here you have the male. Not cute. And then here are the hearts and bows. And here are the hearts in the red. And here's the silver and gold. Isn't that adorable? Sequins garland, Be Mine. And I love these. This is so nice. And I also like this. Hugs and kisses, Be Mine. This one says Be Mine. Those are nice. Okay. And I think I showed you. And then at the end over there, you have some stuffed animals. But these hearts right here are so nice. And I'm loving this color. But the red is nice too. Very pretty. And there's the runner. Okay. And here is the tulle skirts. So nice. So these are the flowers that I talk about all the time. So I love the white. So the bunch, I don't want to pull them out. It seems pretty tight. Let's see. Okay, so these are the tall stem roses. Look at all those roses in there, guys, for $3 a bunch. The only thing is that they only have them in white and red. Those are really nice. And then over here, you have some vase filler and some more stuffed animals. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.